I believe in what I say. I may not, see, I understand when I go to meet people. Some people may be feeling that I don't come to their place for once they invite me for party, weddings and so on. See, I have been in politics for the past 20 years, minus that 2 years which I lost election, but I am in politics for the past 20 years. I represented 3 constituencies, Taligaon, I was MLA for 2 terms, I was in Santa Cruz, then I traveled here. And in your love, I won the Panjim constituency. And I am sure if Bhai Manor Parrikar was here, I would have not been standing here today. So it is because of his untimely death that you have all supported me. And I am sure that your support will never go in vain. I promise you all, whatever I promised you all, I will deliver to what I say. There were some difficult times, I think, for some Karyakartas basically, even some maybe now Karyakartas, something must be hurting them. So I would request everyone, we all are here to work together. I am here to stay. So let us clear that doubt if anyone thinks I am moving anywhere. This is, I am come back to my nest. Okay, so I am come back home, so I will be here. So let us all work together. Let us all work together in the interest of the party. It is always, I said, party will come first, second is me. So we'll all work together. I need to tell you all, during my election time, now 2.5 years back, I think there are so many promises which I had made, my manifesto was there. But I am happy to say that almost 80% of the manifesto, whichever I have mentioned, things in the manifesto, has been completed. I am not that flamboyant type of MLA who basically flaunts, this is what I have done, that is what I have done. I believe whatever we do, we do for you all. It is for people of Panjim basically sees what we have done. They may be, see, I always believe, there are so many people who criticize you. I am really not bothered about criticism. I always believe the biggest room in your house is a room for improvement. I look at it in criticism in a positive manner. So it is like that, but there are some people who are so critical that whatever you do good also and you do bad also, they are there to criticize. It is they say you know, Dukarak mi marba ko aller ho rotta and pospa ko aller rotta. So it is some people's mentality basically is such. I see most important thing, I think many of the youth have elected me. Most important was because of employment. I am here and I request the Honorable Chief Minister. I know Chief Minister has been helping me, but I feel the lion's share which Satari Taluka is taking, I think that should be basically transferred to Panjim. Because many of our youth, see, Panjim is a city, and the Chief Minister basically should not see that everyone is well off in the city. Whenever Chief Minister is free, I will take him around to show certain areas in Panjim, and in the pitiable condition that they stay. So we need to improve their lives. As I said earlier, say I don't go for parties, I don't go for weddings and all this thing. Now if anyone invite, now you will be inviting people for the weddings or parties that are at home. So maybe 200 people come for this thing, they will nicely enjoy and go home. I am just trying to tell you, I may not be a part of your enjoyment part of it. I am there. Suppose whenever you are in problem, whenever there is a sorrow, that is a time I am saying this 200 people, whomever you have invited, they will not come to your rescue, but I will be the first one to come to your rescue.